Alright, hello, what is up everybody? In today's video, I'm going to be going over a routine that I made up in store for you guys. Very affordable, very effective. This is perfect for somebody that doesn't have a skincare routine, that wants to get into it, that just isn't sure where to start. So I'm going to go over the products, how to use them, and the price point of each product. So I hope that you enjoy. Let's get into CVS. Alrighty, the first step to any skincare routine is cleansing. I love the Vanicream Gentle Facial Cleanser. It's great for any skin type. The CeraVe Acne Foaming Cleanser is great if you have acne-prone skin. And I did also see this other face wash that is salicylic acid, good for oily skin. So whatever skin type, I got you covered. Next, you're going to go in with this serum here. This is the Revolution Niacinamide plus Zinc. This is the same as the Ordinary, but available in stores. Great for reducing your pores and controlling oil and kind of fading hyperpigmentation. The caffeine solutions to put under your eyes if you find that you have those tired eyes and you need a little bit of a wake up. So I definitely recommend that if you do have puffy under eyes. If you don't, then you can totally skip that product. After serums, you're going to go in with this moisturizer. This is the CeraVe PM Facial Lotion that I absolutely love. And then if it is the morning, you're going to go in with a sunscreen, La Roche-Posay SPF 100 Milton. It is a chemical sunscreen, no white cast. I also do love the CVS Health Clear Zinc Lotion, much more affordable, under $8. Now, if it is nighttime, instead of sunscreen, you're going to go in with this adapalene gel. And this is going to be anti-aging and help with acne. Thank you guys so much for coming to CVS with me. Let me know if you have any questions about the routine. I'd love to answer them for you down in the comment section down below. Also, do you want me to film more videos like this for different skin types and skin problems? I really enjoyed my time at CVS as always, and I hope that this video was helpful. Please subscribe and give it a thumbs up and share my video, and I'll see you in my next one.